you guys, I'm Stacy and this is Gorgeously Aging. Welcome to Skin School. This is going to be a series where we take skincare ingredients and talk about their benefits and who they're best suited for. So you can find the Skin School playlist in my playlist section. If you are brand new to my channel, a special welcome. I do hope that you'll join the Gorgeously Aging community by subscribing to my channel. And if you've been with me for a while, sending you all virtual hugs. Thanks for sharing a bit of your day with me. So what is niacinamide? Niacinamide is a B3 vitamin that helps the barrier function of the skin. It is appropriate for all skin types and has a plethora of benefits. The thing I love most about niacinamide is that it makes my pores look less obvious. It seems to have a pore shrinking type of effect. It also creates keratin, which is an important protein in the epidermis of the skin. This helps bind the cells together to create a protective layer. Niacinamide is incredible for reducing inflammation. So this can help with skin redness and splotchiness, just making for a more even complexion. For those that have eczema, rosacea, acne, or any type of inflammation in the skin, niacinamide is a helpful tool. Niacinamide can help to rebuild healthy skin cells while also protecting them against UV damage. So in addition to your sunscreen, vitamin C, this is another tool to help heal, but also prevent against UV damage. There is research that suggests niacinamide can help to treat hyperpigmentation with continued use. I think this research mostly targets around a 5% concentration, but the key with niacinamide and any active ingredient is consistent use. The trick to this is gradually introducing it to your skincare routine, and if you increase the dose you're already at or add more niacinamide, you want to evaluate whether your skin is tolerating that. It's always best to introduce active ingredients slowly and over time. It is a marathon, not a sprint. Niacinamide can be wonderful as far as treating acne or helping in the treatment of acne. Now, it is good for all skin types, but if the acne that you have is basically coming from an inflammatory response, niacinamide is fantastic at helping keep that inflammation at bay. Niacinamide also helps to maintain a moisture balance and also aids in the regulation of oil. So it has those powerful benefits from both angles, helping to maintain moisture, but also helping to regulate oil. So what can you pair niacinamide with? Niacinamide actually plays really well with other skincare ingredients, so you can certainly introduce it into your skincare either morning or night, or both if your skin tolerates it. I use niacinamide in the form of serums, but also as an ingredient in moisturizers. So one I'm going to show you right now that's a very budget friendly is the Coste Baja. This is the niacinamide 10 serum. I will use this both morning and night after I cleanse, use my essence, tone, and then I move on to my vitamin C in the morning and then niacinamide following that. I will list a bunch of different other niacinamides that I have used and liked. This is just the one that I'm currently using. Niacinamide, or any skincare ingredient for that matter, does not have to be expensive to be effective. The biggest factor in efficacy is going to be consistent use. Something to note is that nothing good comes from forcing a product on your skin that your skin does not like. Even if the benefits of that product are said to be miraculous, if your skin does not like it or you force too much of it on your skin too fast, it's only going to be problematic. So start with mixing it into your skincare regimen once or twice a week, and then as your skin allows, increase the amount of days that you use it. Please let me know in the comment section below what your thoughts are on niacinamide and what niacinamide products you're using in your skincare. If you guys like this video, don't forget to comment and give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate that support. And I will see you guys in my next video. Remember what I always say, be good to yourselves and to others. I'll see you next time.